Hi, everybody. It's Andy. I wear bow ties because bow ties are cool. I'm here to tell you all about what's going on this October at Great Lakes Science Center. Steamship William G. Mather is open through the end of the month. It's a real historic lake freighter that you can tour, and you can see the pilot house, you can turn the wheel, you can see the engine. It's a lot of fun. That is open on weekends through the end of the month, and you might even see me out there. I love the Mather. I'm so glad that it's back. It hasn't been open since 2019, so it's great to have it back. We also have a new exhibit called Above and Beyond, which is about the history of flight, the future of flight, and there's a lot of fun activities there. You can design your own plane and test it out in a virtual setting, and you can see what it's like to be a bird with one of the augmented reality exhibits in Above and Beyond. Definitely check that out. That is open through January 2022. October is chemistry month, and we have workshops and shows that you can um, experience to celebrate chemistry all month long. This month's show is called Chemical Concoctions, and it's all about unexpected and unpredictable chemical reactions. And the workshops this month include heart dissections, where you can learn about the structure and function of the human heart by dissecting a pig heart, and the PPG Color Lab, where you can break down color and explore the physics of light. So definitely check those out when you come to the Great Lakes Science Center. And finally, we have movies every hour in the Dome Theater, including Ancient Caves, which is new for the month of October. And those you can add on to your ticket just like the workshops, and you can experience the Cleveland Clinic Dome Theater all through the month of October. Check out our website, greatscience.com, for more information and to make your reservations. Now, since October is Chemistry Month, I wanted to share with you an exhibit we have in our Discover Gallery here at Great Lakes Science Center. And it tells a story about the importance of chemistry, knowing chemistry, and applying that knowledge. I am standing right next to a model of the Atlas Centaur rocket. I'll give you a better angle of that. There it is, all the way up there. Centaur refers to the top part of the rocket, and Atlas is the bottom part of the rocket. The real one was, of course, much larger. And the Atlas Centaur was designed to be a workhorse for NASA. But when it was originally designed, there were some major problems, especially with the Centaur stage, and it was given to what is now NASA Glenn to work out the bugs. Fortunately, NASA Glenn had developed liquid hydrogen, liquid oxygen fuel, which the Atlas Centaur used. And so, using that knowledge, NASA Glenn was able to perfect the Atlas Centaur rocket and turn it into the workhorse that it became. The Atlas II family improved even further on this design, and that became the most successful launch system ever built with 63 successful launches. So there's a story all about the importance of chemistry and applying that knowledge. Now, before I go, I have an activity that you can try at home all about chemistry. I'm going to set up a bit of a separate angle here with a separate camera, so bear with me. And now I'm going to switch to that camera. So it uses everyday materials. We just have some sodium bicarbonate here, and sodium bicarbonate is also known as baking soda. So my sodium bicarbonate is going to be one of my components for my chemical reaction, and then I also have vinegar. So let's pour out a little bit of vinegar into my beaker here. Hopefully I don't spill any because vinegar, of course, does not smell great. And we know what happens when we combine baking soda and vinegar. That is the 3D component of this experiment. Um, if I add some baking soda to this vinegar, it starts to fizz up. In fact, it fizzes a little more than I was expecting. Um, you can stay there. So it's fizzing pretty well. I'll have to clean this table when I'm done with it. Um, something interesting that's happening here. The fizzing is because carbon dioxide gas is coming out of this reaction. When you combine vinegar, which has acetic acid in it, with baking soda, sodium bicarbonate, you get a lot of carbon dioxide gas. And so it starts to fizz. What's really cool is carbon dioxide gas is actually heavier than air, and it doesn't let things burn. So I'm going to light this candle here. I'm going to light this, come on candle, we rehearsed this. There we go. And I'm going to see if I can put out this candle by pouring some of this carbon dioxide gas. I'm not pouring the liquid, I'm just pouring the gas. We might need a little more carbon dioxide gas in there. See if that'll do it. Come on. Come on. Come on now. Once again, we rehearsed this. Come on. Maybe need a bigger. Give this another shot. Oh, there we go. That is a lot. Okay, that's not working.